Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So, it's really quick and easy, so let's jump straight right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat app. And now, go to your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then just below the notifications option, you can see an option named Memories, so tap on it. Now you can see the option Backup Progress. Here you can see it is complete, but if yours says anything except complete, such as incomplete, you can simply tap on it and then it will complete Backup Progress. Now the next option is Smart Backup. So Memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. So if you turn this option on, even when there is no Wi-Fi, Memories will automatically back up over mobile data. So turn on this feature, and now once you've done that, your camera roll will be backed up by Snapchat. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.